Yeah, welcome. Yeah, so today we are back here at the poultry farm project. You can see the boys working so hard. We are doing the concreting the floor. So this is the first layer we'll be putting. Then after this first layer, then that will follow by the brick laying. Yeah, so this is the foundation. Yeah, so I'm here with some boys who came to help. Volunteer and help, because this is for the community, this is for the school, and this is for everybody, and this is for the whole Gambia. So thank you so much once again, Help2Unify. Special thanks also to Bregan's community for the mega donation. Yeah, so so today these are the strings we have fixed, and then concreted. So by tomorrow early morning, the brick laying will start officially. Yeah, you can see everything. This will go up. Yeah, so much high. Yeah, so these are the only other remaining two left to be completed. Yeah. Yeah. Ready to start work. Yeah, so work start. Yeah.
Yes.
Work start.
Work start. You
Yeah.
get the block now.
Yeah, brick laying starts now. Wonderful. Yeah, everything going so fine. Yeah. Yeah, the first ground layer is done. Now going to the next phase there.